So I'm John, I'm with Teenage Engineering of Stockholm, Sweden. And we're here to show our latest product, the Oplab, which is like a sandbox for synth DIY. You can connect anything to anything really. It's got analog inputs and outputs, 2 analog in, 2 analog out and gate. 3 USB ports for pretty much anything, iPad, computer, synthesizers, MIDI controllers with USB. And also 1 MIDI input and a MIDI output, and a sync output for drum machines. So now to show this off, we have made a little sensor here that plugs in on the analog input and sends MIDI control change with MIDI over USB over to the synthesizer here. So now we got the LFO that's controlled by this sensor here, so I can. The idea is that you build these sensors yourself. You can either buy them from us, like this one, we make a few of them, but then you can also build them yourself. It's very simple. This is just a resistor inside. Here is just a variable resistor that we plugged in, and a little microphone, piezo microphone for a drum trigger. So if I go to the drum screen here, very hard to hear anything now, and all this noise. So now I use this one to select the note. And this can play along with. These are different types of sensors that we're making. So this is a pressure sensor, kind of like in an MPC. This is a piezo mic, that's actually what's in here. This is a tap sensor in a nicer package. And the flip sensor is a motion sensor that you can shake around. And this is our new shoe. It has a built-in motion sensor here. Runs on a 3-volt battery. And here's a little radio receiver. It's just a regular thing, we bought it on the internet. That plugs in here to an expansion port that we have here. And the motion sensor in the shoe can be used to send like trigger MIDI notes, for example, tap tempo, or the invisible expression pedal. And it just sends MIDI notes over USB or MIDI or analog triggers out as well. There's 1 in each shoe. So you can have 2, if you want to have like a kick and a snare drum, for example, you can. If you want to go crazy with your tap dancing. But it also has 12 digital inputs and 12 outputs. So you can, like, if you want to like control your Christmas tree lights or whatever from your synthesizer, you can. It's very easy to set that up. Or if you don't like DIY, you can just use it as a super interface between different things. Like you can hook up like a computer, iPad, or mouse, or whatever here, and anything that understands MIDI. You can also program it yourself if you really want to go out on a limb and make something crazy. If you have like a mouse or a joystick or something you want to use to control your synth. None of this is really OP1 exclusive. It's more like anything to anything. So this board will be available in about 6 weeks. And sell for probably $299. We don't know about the whole kit yet, or I don't know, but eventually.